Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean shower glass seal strip. So if you would like to know how we went from this to this, then keep watching. They are called shower screen seal strips. Basically, it's to stop the water. And occasionally you'll get a build-up of mold. But in this case, it looks like it's gone past the case of mold. It's actually turning into algae. So I'm going to show you how to clean this. Let me show you how the back of it looks as well. And this is what the back of it looks like. On the inside of it, you can see it's mold building up in this area here. So let's start cleaning it, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to clean it. So for today's job, we are going to be using HG mold remover, and it's a foam spray. I've used this product before and it was very fantastic. I'll put a link to the other video. I used it in the description box area, so you can check that out after this. This is a hazardous product, so I suggest you use gloves while you're wearing it and make sure the room is well ventilated. Open your windows, yeah? And I recommend, if you have got small children in the house, do this while they're at school or while they're not in. Just keep them away from dangerous products like this. And when you are finished using the product, if you just turn the seal down, that will keep the child safety lock on. So if they get a hold of this product, they won't be able to spray it. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Let me show you how I remove the strip in the first place. A lot of you may not have known this, but this strip is detachable, so you can just take it off. So all you do is just drop it down and slide it off. There it is. So we have removed it. So now we can clean it. So basically all I'm going to do now is spray the inside of it with our HG mold spray. So let's do that. Okay, so let's begin spraying. So basically we'll just spray this and leave it to soak. And I think I'll leave it more than 5 minutes. We'll soak it as long as it needs, because this is stronger than just mold. This has got algae on it. You can see it's turned green in that area. So let's leave it as long as it needs. So yeah, let me just spray the rest. Okay, so now we've got it sprayed and all covered. We'll leave it to sit and then we'll come back and I'll show you the results. So at the bottom of the glass here we can see lime scale build up. So I'm going to use Vinegar for that. I'm going to spray Vinegar on, so I'll just do that quickly now, so that they can both work together. And I'll do the same for the other side, but I'll do that off camera.